In 2025, affiliate marketing is one of the easiest ways, even if you're a complete beginner, no matter where you're watching from, and no matter the type of device you're using. So in this particular video, I'm going to simply walk you through on how all of this works, okay, step by step. You just have to make sure you stick around. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to this very channel, and turn on the bell notification icon to stay updated on what we do here. So before we get started, we're going to be doing 5 simple steps, okay? So the first step, I'm going to simply show you how to choose your niche, okay? All right, so this is basically the first step to choose your niche, okay? A niche is a specific topic or industry you are passionate about. Why? Because when you are passionate, it's easier for you to create content, okay? You don't have to select sport as your niche when you don't have passion for sports, all right? You don't have to select gaming as your niche when you don't have passion for gaming. All you need to do is simply go ahead and pick something that you're interested in, and it's going to simply help you a lot, okay? So the key point here is to pick something that you enjoy that has a clear audience, all right? Make sure you watch this video down to the very end, okay? And don't forget to comment below the niche you want to go for on the comment section. If I see your niche, then I can simply go ahead and guide you on how to go about that, okay? So when you've already decided on the type of niche you want to go for, the second step is to set up your platform, okay? If you don't have a platform and you're going for affiliate marketing, you're going to simply spend more money and you might not be making money, all right? So if you have a platform, it is going to simply be easier for you. You have two main options in each website or a social media profile, okay? But I would advise you to have the both. You can get yourself a standard website blog. For instance, if you visit this particular website, this is how your website is going to simply look like. And when people that want to buy sees that you have a specific website for your shop, then it's going to simply be easier for them to trust you more and also purchase from you, okay? But if you're using a free blog and all of that, your credibility will not be high and people can easily take you for granted for that, all right? So for instance, if you're using Blogger and you have Blogger and you have your name /blogger.com and all of that, people will think, oh, this particular person is not really serious, okay? But if you have your own specific domain name or custom domain name, it is going to simply give you an edge to those people that have free website blog, right? So I will advise you to go for a standard blog website. And if you don't have a trusted developer that can do all of these things for you, join us on the Telegram channel, WhatsApp channel. Chat me up from there. My team are going to simply build and set up your website. You can as well go ahead and create some social media profile which will back you up on this website, okay? For instance, you can add your social media on your website, okay? For instance, you have a Facebook, you can add that. If you have Instagram, you can add that. X, LinkedIn, YouTube, TikTok, okay? The third step is to find affiliate program to work with, okay? Simply select an affiliate marketing platform to join, okay? These are platforms where businesses offer a commission for promoting their product, okay? Some of the popular platforms out there where you can easily find all of these businesses that can help you promote their product: Amazon Associate, ClickBank, and ShareSell, okay? So these are the ones I like so much, and ShareSell is just my favorite, okay? And when you sign up on ShareSell, you can as well go ahead and get approval, okay? So I've already made a full detailed tutorial on how to get approved on ShareSell, okay? If you've not watched that video, just go ahead and watch this video showing your screen right now, or you head over to our blog website, which is John Francis right here. When you come to this platform, just go down to the very section and come to this section that says search, okay? Then you have to simply search for ShareSell. All right, when you search for ShareSell, then click on this search button down below it, okay? So then you're going to simply bring out all the details about ShareSell, okay? So just have to make sure you scroll down from here, and then the ultimate guide to instant ShareSell approval. Just click on this particular post. This post is going to simply help you get approval on ShareSell, okay? You have to make sure you go ahead and browse products that fit your niche, okay? For example, if you're into fitness niche, just head over to this section that says merchant, go to search for merchant, okay? Then come to this section that says category, okay? All right, so under that, you're gonna see sport and fitness. Just click on this and you're going to simply look for fitness from here, okay? Of any niche you want to go for, just go to the category and look for it. It is going to be there for you, okay? And it's going to simply help you pick a product. When you find a product you want to promote in your niche, just go ahead and click on this join programs, accept terms and conditions, and click on promote. Right here it is pending, okay? If you scroll down right here, you're going to see other products. Just go ahead and apply for all of these products. When you apply for them, get a link for each of these products, okay? When you get approved, click on this merchant section, come to merchant status to see all the platforms that have already approved you, okay? Just click on the get link button, click on this copy button. But you can simply go ahead and check out the promotional materials those platforms have already provided for you. You're going to simply go to these links and you can get links and banner for this product, okay? And here you can get video that will help you promote that particular product. Okay, and I will prefer you go for videos, because videos are going to simply help you a lot. Okay, these videos are going to simply help you get people to click and also to buy from your link. Okay, so this one gives you 88 videos. Right, so with the 88 videos, you can share it across all social media platforms. So for instance, if you go to health product, then you click on this preview videos. Let's see what they have for us, and this is the first product. Let's click on it to open it.
As HPFY celebrates its 20th anniversary, we are excited to present the new.
Okay, you can see right here, this is the first video about this particular program. Okay, so for you to get this, just click on this button, click on download, and you've already downloaded this on your desktop or your mobile phone. Okay, so you keep downloading these promotional videos, and these videos are going to simply help you in our step 4. All right, the next thing you have to do is to simply head over to step 4. It's all about creating content and adding affiliate links. Okay, for example, if you have this particular product, which is this one right here, then click on copy link. Okay, then save this link somewhere. All right, let's save it at the browser tab here. Go to the next tab. Remember, it is already saved here. Then come here, paste it here. Let's search for it. Okay, so this is a health product for you. Okay, just get the name to see if people are searching for this particular product already. Okay, because you want something that people are searching for. Okay, you can see we have health product for you. They are searching legit. If it is legit, reviews, coupon code. All right, so we have to simply search for this only, and scroll down to people also search for. You can show right here, people also search for. You're going to see health product for you, phone number. People are searching for their phone number. Health product for you, complaint. Okay, health product for you, reviews. So you're going to simply use either the auto blogging platform that's already installed on our blog website. Okay, if my team are building your website blog, they're going to simply integrate an auto blogging platform for you. You simply come over to this section that says Hostinga. So this is going to simply help you. All right, remember, you're not writing any single word. All you need to do right now is simply give it a prompt to do the work for you. Click on this, then select post as the type of post, then natural as that, as the tone of voice, then long form content. Okay, health product for you review. I simply come back here, then copy this one. All right, then come back to your blog, paste it here, add comma, all right. So if the product you're promoting has more other stuff about that particular product, just go ahead and copy that. Okay, this one is talking about the platform. Let's click on health product for you, complaints. Okay, then let's add health product for you, complaint. Okay, so what are the focus keywords? Let's just copy all of this as focus keyword. All right, so not all of them shall. Let's add this because they are the focus keyword we are targeting. Paste it here, click on generate. Okay, so let's wait for it, give it a while to generate the content. All right, so it has already given us all the reviews. Okay, you can show right here, it is done generating that, and these are the keywords. Let's just scroll down and click on this edit as draft. This is over 2,500 words. So if you have your product just like this, just go back here, or you go back to the section where we added our link, just copy this. All right, then come back to your blog website, scroll up a little bit, then let's say you want to add it to a place that people are going to simply see it and click. Okay, so remember, anywhere you're adding the link, make sure make it bold, then click on this link, paste your link here, then click on this save button. It has been saved automatically. All right, so your link should be added, let's say at least 4 places. Okay, so let's add it to another place. All right, so if you have blog posts that are related to health or the type of product you're promoting, just add them here as also read, okay, so that people can also engage with your other blog posts. Okay, then I'm going to simply click on this publish button. All right, click on publish. It has been added. Click on this view post. All right, this is a good one. You can see our product has been added. If you scroll down right here, this is about the product, and this is our link. And if you click on this link now, let's see where it's going to simply take us to. Hold on, this is where we are. Okay, and make sure that this particular post is shared online, okay, for people to see. Remember, is whenever people search for this, your blog post is going to pop up on Google. All right, if you have Google Sitekit, it's going to simply help you a lot with this. Okay, the next thing you have to do is simply go ahead and copy the same content. When you copy the same content, then use that same video you've already downloaded and come over to your Instagram, post that same video and add the link to your bio, the link of this product. Okay, post the video on TikTok, post the video on YouTube. Okay, then add the link in the description. Use a catchy title that people are searching for, and your website is also going to be giving you traffic from SEO, which is from Google. All right, so this is basically how it works. So if you found this very video helpful, I want you to hit that like button, subscribe to this very channel, and turn on the bell notification icon to stay updated on what we do here.